Hi, it's Marcus here, and I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions. And the one that we've got quite recently is, how can I be sure that I am going to be successful? Like, you want 100% certainty that you are going to make money in the stock market. Well, that's easy. You can't. How can you? How can you be sure that you're not going to get run over even if you follow absolutely every rule, right? How do you know? Because there's always going to be some idiot who might, but you've got to do the best that you possibly can and keep your eyes open. Am I right? So if you do your bit, in other words, you commit to it. Okay, this is a really important word that I'm going to share with you. We cover this on our workshop. Most people don't see the importance of this word called commitment. Commitment. And commitment is, very simply, but not easy, doing the thing that you said you were going to long after the feeling in which you said it at the time has gone. In other words, I'm going to do this, I'm going to make money out of it. 2 months later, are you still doing it? Now, we've all done this, don't get me wrong, right? We've all started something new and then we kind of gave up on ourselves. And if only we would have carried on long enough, we would have found the key to doing it. How do I know that? Well, having instructed, trained, and coached thousands of people all around the world, I know a thing or two about teaching people how to make money in the stock market. It's very simple, but it's not easy. What do I mean by that? Well, there are rules on where to invest, how to, where to get in, where to get out, how much money to invest, etc. But you still have to do the work. You still have to practice. You still need to come on the coaching calls and the webinars and ask questions. So there has to be commitment, not just from us. There has to be commitment from you. So if you're here watching this because you believe that trading and investing in the stock market is some get-rich-quick scheme or quick fix for you, it isn't. Nothing is. There isn't a single thing that there is out there. I don't care whether you're talking about trading and investing, whether you're talking about career, whether you're talking about property, whether you're talking about internet marketing, or whether you're talking about business. There is no such thing as a surefire, 100% certain get-rich-quick unless you have this. If you have this, and you have an attitude of, I will never quit, I will never give up until I make it work for me, you know what I'll say to you? I'll say two things to you. One, I'll say, I can work with you. And the second thing is, you have as close to 100% certainty as I am ever willing to say that you have. Because if you have that attitude, I will make this work. Marcus, tell me what to do and I will do it. That's, I'll bet on you. I'll go into business with you. You're the kind of person that I can work with. So again, I understand where that question comes from. It comes from fear. But how will I know that I'm going to be successful at this? Yeah, well, how do you know anything about yourself? You need to believe in yourself. Or you need to believe that you want whatever it is that you want badly enough that you're willing to do whatever it takes to get it, because you might not know yet whether the stock market is right for you, but you got to give it a go. Imagine somebody like Warren Buffett, saying, oh, I'm not sure about the stock market, and they never went into the stock market. Where would they be right now? On the cashier desk at some Walmart or something like that. Who knows? Okay, you've got to give it a go, because there are 5 pillars. And I've just told you what they are, whether there's business, career, trading and investing, stocks and shares, well, that is trading and investing, internet marketing, or whether it's business. Any of those 5, you've got to try them. And there's at least one of those that you're going to be fantastic at. And people get stuck in some that they're not so good at, and they stay there for years, And that is why I would say there is no such thing as 100% certainty, but there is such a thing as commitment and hard work. And if you've got that, this is definitely for you. But that's just like anything else. I don't care whether it's career, whether it's business or real estate. You are going to need commitment and you're going to need hard work. If you've got that, I can show you the strategies that work. If you don't have that, we're not the right place for you. We're not, but I don't know what is. What is the alternative? I don't know. If you, please tell me, because if it is, I'll have a look at it as well. I would love that, but it's not. Okay, so I don't know whether that's the answer that you wanted. Like you say, yeah, absolutely, 100%. No, there's no such thing. Okay, because it all comes from you. The good news is, though, that we're going to meet you 50% of the way, because we're going to help you, we're going to coach you along your journey. Okay, so listen, why not comment below? I would love to know what you think. Is there such a thing as 100% certainty? You know, how can I be sure that I'm going to succeed? Is there such a thing? If you follow the rules, there is. But if you don't follow the rules, I can guarantee there is no way at all. Okay, so I'd love to know what you think. And also, I'd love for you to like this video. If there's anything that either resonated with you or you learned something, just please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on the videos that I'm going to be sending to you over the next few weeks and months that are going to be very content rich in terms of trading and investing and being profitable. Okay, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.